In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Msvcp140 underscore app.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator on the right pane and simply type sfc space / scan now. Scan now, just one word, no space in between, and hit enter. The system scan will begin, to simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once it is completed, just type exit in the command prompt window and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, check your system type first. So search for system information on the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open any browser on your Windows. Search for the missing DLL and just put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows. Wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, you have to click on the folder icon. Then right click on the folder, select extract all and click on extract. Once done, right click on the DLL file, select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder. Locate this System32 folder, here it is. Right click and then select paste and click on continue. Once done, close everything, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the latest Visual C++ to your Windows 11. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.